everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Paul Vida and today I'm going to show you really simple moves. So today I'm going to show you how to perform firefighter or fireman. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell, and then you're going to get notifications when I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And now let's get started with this tutorial. First step, we are going to keep our neutral postures. Now, our arms on the pole. So, inside arm will grab the pole above your head. Outside arm will grab the pole close to your chest. So now, legs. Legs on the pole. Legs are really important in this move. So, let's see. So, inside leg will grab the pole behind the pole, Then outside leg will grab the pole in front of the pole, this way. So you are going to try to squeeze your knees together, and it's gonna be like you are hugging your pole with your legs. Pretty much you're going to have one leg behind the pole and the other in front of the pole. This figure. So you're going to have this figure, and I'm going to try to squeeze my knees as hard as I can. So now let's talk about the momentum. The momentum will come from the outside leg. So we are going to swing our leg really gentle. We are not going to kick, so we are going to give it a really gentle swing. So now let's put everything together. So neutral posture, so don't forget to keep it. So then we are going to prevent injuries. So let's grab the pole with your arms. So first, inside arm will grab the pole above your head. Outside arm will grab the pole close to your chest. So now, inside leg will grab the pole behind the pole. And then we're going to give it a little swing with your outside leg. And don't forget to grab the pole with the outside leg. So it's gonna go in front of the pole. So I'm going to give it a little swing. I'm going to grab the pole with my legs and I'm going to let it go. So now let's try the same thing with the other side. Usually this side sucks a little bit, but it's good if you try with both sides. So neutral posture like always, don't forget that. Then grab the pole with your arms. So inside arm will grab the pole above the head. Outside arm will grab the pole close to your chest. Give it a little bit of swing. Grab the pole with your legs and let it go. So don't forget that your inside leg will grab the pole behind the pole, and the outside leg will grab the pole in front of the pole. Squeeze really hard your knees and let it go, okay? Let's see. So let's give it a little bit of momentum. And that was it. Thank you everybody for watching my channel. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share my video. And if you have comments, just leave it down below and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.